What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority. You want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. Also keep in mind this course is free, but if you need the certification in hand, then it will cost. Agentic AI also refers to autonomous AI, systems designed to reason, plan, perceive, and also act independently to achieve specific goals. Unlike generative AI, which focuses on content creation, agentic AI needs minimal human oversight and is action-oriented, which means it's capable of executing complex, multi-step workflows. Examples include an AI agent that can book flights and hotels, assist an analyst by writing reports, or automate administrative tasks in healthcare. So let's quickly go over this free online certification course and what it consists of. In Course 1, Prompting for Effective LLM Reasoning and Planning, you go beyond the basic chatbot and on to learn how to engineer sophisticated AI agents. This online course, you will learn and understand advanced prompting techniques that power modern AI. You master React, chain of thought, and feedback loops to build systems that can reason, plan, and solve multiple complex problems. Through hands-on exercises in this course, you will transform generative AI into specialized, reliable tools, accumulating and building a multi-agent travel planner from scratch. In Course 2, Agentic Workflow will explore what defines a modern AI agent, meaning its core component, persona, knowledge, tools, and interaction. And the different types of agents based on their LLM interaction model. Visualize and design agentic workflow. Learn the common agent types as building blocks when creating visual workflow diagrams. Hands-on training will come when you build two agent systems, a creator and a critic, that will work in a loop. The creator generates a solution and the critic provides feedback until the solution meets all constraints. In Course 3, again, hands-on training when it comes to building a robust AI agent. Integrate the tools via function calling, generate structured outputs with pedantic, manage agent states, and utilize short-term and long-term memory. You'll learn to create data-driven agents that interact with external APIs and much more. In Course 4, it'll be all about designing multi-agent architecture, configure routing mechanisms to manage data flow among agents and multi-agent systems, extend RAG to multi-cooperating agents, each specialized in certain retrieval tasks. The entire 51-hour online certification course consists of 4 courses, 68 lessons, 4 projects, and an assistant of 5 instructors. So in a nutshell, you'll be able to understand how to build advanced AI-powered agents, learn to design, deploy, and coordinate AI agents that interact with APIs, handle tasks, and solve complex problems using cutting-edge prompt engineering. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. I also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Please subscribe so you won't miss out any training certification courses you want to pick up. Comment below done, and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams. They'll also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'll see you in the future.